How to fix Instagram filters. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram filters. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings page on your phone and then scroll down until you find the apps option on your phone. Go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram app and then click on it. Now after you click on it, all what you have to do on this page is just click on this option. It's called force stop, and then go down to the app details. After you click on the app details, it will take you directly to the Play Store. Now all what you have to do here, if you have this option that's called update, then you have to click on it to update your Instagram. And that's it, very easily and simple. Now restart your phone and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful.